Hello everyone. So today I'm making some brownies, but the secret ingredient today is going to be beets. So as usual, I'm going to put the recipe in the description, but just so you know, the ingredients are beets, oat flour, spelt flour, cacao powder, some baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon in here. The sweetener is going to be a combination of date paste and maple syrup. There's my homemade date paste right there, which is just dates and water blended up, and some almond milk. So let's start by blending the beets. And just so you know, I made the beets in my Instant Pot, and the texture comes out just amazing. They're super delicious, and the skin just peels right off when you cook them in the Instant Pot. So there's a video for that if you're interested. But for now, we're just going to blend them, turn them into a puree. So I did want this to be like a puree, so I added a bit of water and blended it. And as you can see, it's pretty pureed. So I think this is good. Okay, so now we'll combine the dry ingredients and mix them up. So I use spelt flour and oat flour, cacao powder, the leavening and the cinnamon, and just mix that up. All right, so now I'm going to add the sweeteners, which is a combination of maple syrup, date paste, and the vanilla, and some almond milk. Just stir that up. So I'm actually making this recipe for the first time, so it's probably not a good idea to make a video using a recipe you've never made before, because you have no idea how it's going to turn out. But I just felt like trying it, so it's an adventure. Now I'm adding the beets. Well, seems like a lot of beets in there, but it said 2 medium beets or 3 small beets, so I'm hoping I chose medium-sized ones. And I like the fact that you're adding some veggies to your brownies, making them healthier. Look at how red that is. Okay, now I'm going to taste the batter, make sure it's sweet enough and chocolatey enough. Okay, that's pretty good. But I do think I'd like it a little chocolatier. You could add chocolate chips if you want. I'm just going to add a bit more cacao powder. It's usually not a good idea to add these kinds of things after it's been mixed, but what the heck, I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, so this looks good. I'm going to add it to this little pan here. Okay, then you bake it 350 degrees, and I'll show it to you once it's done. Okay, so the brownies are out of the oven. They look really good. And now I'm just gonna try some. Okay. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try it. Wow, that's really good. It's so moist and delicious. Wow, it's super good. All right, I hope you guys try it. Thanks for watching.